Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today I am making egusi soup. Very delicious. So come with me as I take you through the process. If you are a new subscriber here, thank you for joining. All my old subscribers, thank you for always watching my video. So the first thing I did was place my empty pot on the fire and then pour some palm oil. While that has heated a little, I went in with some chopped onions, and before now I already got all my ingredients ready. So the next thing I had was my blended pepper mix. It's a combination of onion, cameroon pepper, yellow pepper, and red bell pepper. So while that has cooked a little, I went in with the egusi. This egusi I bought it from the market blended, and when I came home I poured it in a bowl and then pour some warm water, just little warm water. You can see that it's still very thick before adding it into the mixture on the pot. So I'm going to stir fry that because I don't want it to get burnt. I continue to stir fry. So while that is halfway cooked, I will just go in with the chicken and the chicken stock. Already steamed the chicken. And then I went in with my already washed pomo. I soaked this pomo, this cow skin in warm water for a few minutes, and then I wash very well and nicely. Then I slice into smaller pieces. And the next thing I'm going to be adding is the dry fish and prawns. And next I will add my blended crayfish. And then seasoning. So I'll season that and then add some warm water, just very little. You don't need much water because the egusi is almost cooked already. So I will just stir that to combine and then I will taste. It was so yummy, guys. So next thing to do is to cover and allow that to cook. So when that has cooked and almost dried, I will go in with the vegetable. This is bitter leaf. I wash it myself. If you want your egusi soup to taste very nice, ensure you wash the bitter leaf yourself. It's so yummy. So I'm going to stir that into the soup so it can combine very well. And then my soup is almost ready. So I'll just allow that to cook for a few seconds. You don't want the vegetable to be overcooked. So guys, my egusi soup is ready. So yummy, so delicious. Try this method, you're gonna thank me. So you can enjoy this with swallow, any swallow of your choice. Look how yummy and nice it's looking. So guys, trust me, it was so delicious. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye. And please, please don't forget to share. There is love in sharing. Hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, bye.